This video shows Selection Master's reporting function. You can see on the Selection Master panel up here we've got a reporting drop-down menu. Underneath it we've got Get All Views by Level, Export All Levels, Families, and Phases. Starting with Get All Views by Level, activating this command will show you this dialog box. What this is a list of all plan-based views in the project. Plan-based are floor plans, ceiling plans, area plans, etc. What it gives you is the element ID, level, view type, and view name of the view. And you've got a filter up here, show level defaults to all. You can go to show only first level views, only third floor views, roof views, whatever. I'm going to go ahead and set it to all. Next you've got an export results button down here. Hit that and it allows you to save the contents of this view into a CSV file. So I'm going to call this all views by level. Okay, and close out of that, and if I go in here I've got my all views by level CSV file, which will open up in Excel or any other spreadsheet program that you're using. And you can see there's my element ID, level, view type, and view name, just like I had in that interface, right available for you right there. Next we've got export all levels, families, and phases. These all work very similar. Hit it and it just gives you a dialog box of where to save the CSV file. I'm going to go ahead and save all of these as examples. Okay, so there's my files. For families, we get the element ID and the name of every family in the project, whether it be annotation family, a detail component, or model component, or whatever. Next, for phases, we get similarly the element ID and the name of every phase in the project. For levels, we get a little bit more information. Levels give you the element ID, the name of the level, and 2 columns for the height. The reason for 2 columns for the height is one for readability and one for calculation. You can see this column, this main height column, gives you the height in the same format that you would see it in the interface. So my project is an imperial project set to feet and fractional inches. So you can see that's exactly the readout I've got with the feet and inch hash marks and the fractional inches and all that. Problem with this, it's great for readability, but Excel doesn't recognize these as numbers and will not calculate based on them, or any other spreadsheet program that I'm aware of for that matter. So you've also got a decimal height. So instead of 12 feet 5 inches, you've got 12.4166 feet, 67 feet, or whatever. If you are in an imperial project, this will be in decimal feet. If you are in a metric project, this will be in decimal millimeters. So that column allows you to use this for calculations or whatever if you're doing anything else based on this spreadsheet. That's the main interface reporting. The only other reporting that's available, we went over just briefly, or at least mentioned it on the preview video, but here's back up to the main select interface. I've got my doors greater than 3 feet. I'm going to go ahead and preview those elements, and I've got my preview here. This also I can export similarly to a CSV file. Call it door preview. Cancel that out for now, and there's my door preview CSV file. There we go. There's the element ID, object type, category, family and type, level, just like we saw in the main select interface there. Phase created, phase demolished. All of that is just as we saw it. You can see there's the same 100 lines because we've got one as a column header, down to 101. So that's all. That's basically a CSV version of the preview that you got in the main Selection Master interface, and that is reporting functions through Selection Master.